the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a 1,284-word statement, Rhea Chakrabarti, through a lawyer, attacked Sushant Singh Rajput's family once again in the most slanderous manner. But tonight we will expose the contradictory versions and tell how she has tied herself in knots in this utter show of last-minute panic and desperation.
A.m. Wednesday, India's highest court will give its verdict on who will probe the Sushant Singh Rajput case.
The matter is finally in the supplementary list. It's been officially listed. So countdown 11 a.m. when the top court of the country is going to be pronouncing its verdict in the CBI for SSR matter. This has become so massive because all sides have been heard and now official confirmation coming in. This matter is going to be giving out its verdict tomorrow by the top court of the country.
CBI's accused number one, Rhea Chakrabarti, the 28-year-old who hasn't been able to explain her source of income to the ED, is in a state of complete panic. In a 1,284-word statement, she has viciously attacked Sushant's family and has slandered his sister Priyanka.
Counsel of Rhea Chakrabarti has clearly stated all these facts and giving it a political color, adding the name of the Bihar government doesn't buy any logic, because what Mr. Vikas Singh has said, that the consequence of the crime, that is in the affected party, is Mr. KK Singh, who is a 74-year-old man and he lives in Patna and he cannot go to Mumbai and Delhi frequently.
But what just doesn't add up is her claim about what happened on the 8th of June. She says she reluctantly left and informed Sushant to let her or her brother know about anything he required or in case he needed to talk. The ones who were in the house that day have a different version. Sushant's family is fighting back through their lawyer.
प्रियंका के लिए बड़ा अच्छा उसने एक पोएट्री लिखा सुशांत ने उसके सामने कि तुम मेरी मतलब उसने याद वर्ड चिड़िया करके लिखा और बताया कि कितना उसका अहम रोल है उसके ज़िंदगी में. तभी उसने षड्यंत्र का प्लान बनाया कि कैसे प्रियंका को मैं सुशांत से अलग करूं. अगर उनका कहना है कि उनकी तरफ से तो कोई वो हुई नहीं थी, कोई झगड़ा भी नहीं था, वो तो नहीं कह रही कोई झगड़ा हुआ था. अगर चली गई थी तो फिर उसके बाद क्यों नहीं उन्होंने फोन पे उनका एक्सेप्ट किया, क्यों उनको ब्लॉक करके रखा 6 दिन. आदित्य ठाकरे का तो हमारे कंप्लेंट में भी कोई जिक्र नहीं है, इसलिए मैं क्यों बोलने जाऊंगा. अगर नहीं जानती है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं जानती मतलब वो जानती है नहीं जानती, वो बोल क्यों रही है.
Why is Rhea and PR machinery in panic? Let's debate.
Swapnil, what do you think? Is Rhea, from what she's doing, the way she's behaving, in panic ahead of the Supreme Court verdict?
Well, she's definitely having goosebumps and she's literally shit scared of what awaits her tomorrow, because she and her lawyer both know that the curtains have fallen and 60 to 62 days of relentless pursuit by Republic TV will result in the ultimate administration of justice tomorrow, and a convoluted versions of bipolar disorder, depression, nepotism will fall flat on their face, because ultimately the shambolic or the so-called investigation by the Mumbai police will be seen through, and the entire flip-flop from first appeal to the CBI and then saying that the Mumbai police needs to investigate, which is unheard of, or a request by an accused as to who should be investigating her, will again come to a close, and the Supreme Court will truly establish tomorrow the administration of justice, so that the federal structure of the country will not be affected in its true sense, because the administration of justice and the criminal justice system is a very, very focal point of any democratic polity, Arnab. And it is very important that the Supreme Court will remember the words of Martin Luther King, that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. And Riya Chakrabarti and the Maharashtra government will learn,
I think it's
the
also,
words of Lord George Byron.
If you notice,
1,000 years cast serve to form a state, and are laid in the dust.
Absolutely, absolutely. And therefore, she's giving herself a clean chit. Saira, panic, worry or fear, what do you think? Is she responding in panic, worry or fear?
Okay, see Arnab, if the matter is sub judice, I think let the courts decide who is guilty or who's not guilty, because I feel everyone is innocent till proven guilty. I'm not saying that Riya is innocent. Okay, however, she has to be under the Constitution of India. She's got every right.
No, I'm just curious about one thing. I want to ask you, Saira. I want to ask you one question, Saira. Saira, I want to ask you one question. Saira, if you allow me, one thing I never understood. One thing I never understood, and maybe you will be able to throw light on this. The pseudo-secular hypocrites of this country are now supporting Riya Chakrabarti. Is Riya Chakrabarti secular? Was Sushant communal? I'm curious to know. I'm curious to know. It's tiresome, but I'm curious to know.
It's not a
Am I wrong?
debate, Arnab, don't try.
On an aside, I asked that question. Subrashta, on an aside, I asked the question. On an aside, I asked the question. On an aside, I asked the question.
The courts of India have pronounced anyone guilty or not. Stop holding a kangaroo.
Subrashta is on the debate right now. Subrashta from Delhi.
Let the courts decide.
I find
who's
this absolutely... Ma'am, please calm down. I find it absolutely amusing that in case of Riya Chakrabarti, the esteemed panelist wants to wait. But when it comes to any other person who supports the non-left side of the things, they are quick not only to pronounce judgment, but also to hold anybody guilty, call anybody a troll. Now that aside, let's come back to the matter at hand. What Riya has really done is wash absolutely dirty linen in public, and one doesn't even know where the dirt came from. One doesn't even know if the dirt was hidden within the financial transactions she did, or the dirt was hidden in the corners of the political corridors that she has connections in. Otherwise, please explain to me, why is Baby Penguin, and whoever is Baby Penguin, I don't care who the Baby Penguin is, but if there are parties, political parties after political parties, leaders after leaders from Shiva Sena and NCP who are trying to defend Baby Penguin like anything, and Riya has nothing to say except the fact that the federal structure of the country would be damaged. What else do we want in terms of narrative? I mean, what proof do we need to prove that there is a narrative going on out there?
So you're saying, Subrashta, that the pseudo-secular hypocrites are looking at it in terms of, so what if Sushant Singh Rajput was murdered? We have to save Riya, we have to save the Mumbai police, we have to save the Aghadi government, so they are looking at it politically. What a crying shame. What a crying shame then.
And we have to save democracy, because everything in this country is democracy in danger, federal structure in danger, constitution in danger.
Who have their own interest in this. Let us not be blind to
They
are
doing
it
because
they
have
pathological hatred.
Day after day revolution, you are defending something which is absolutely
one-sided.
A guy from a lower middle class family rises up to become a superstar, and the nepotistic
Please remember,
and the nepotistic lobby in Mumbai that also consists of politicians,
What about a
not
former
only the
CM saying
Bollywood
that
mafia,
Disha was raped by
maybe
murder?
ISI
What
agents,
proof
maybe
did he have?
Pakistani
We should be fair.
agents,
We
and
should
you
be
are
fair.
defending what, Rahul? I'm sorry,
Everyone wants justice for Sushant, but the sense of fairness should not be lost on emotion.
Please do not give it a pseudo-intellectual color. Please stop doing that, Rahul Ishwar. If you have to defend
There is
art
nothing-
for art's sake movement, please
Please
do it
remember
in
the
some
only humble submission. I respect your words, ma'am. At the same point of time, we can't sacrifice reasonability at the altar of emotion.
And
We
the emotions
cannot-
of people
we
who
cannot
are out there on the
sacrifice
streets demanding justice for
reasonableness
Sushant
at the
Singh
altar of
Rajput.
emotion.
Rahul,
We are all
please
emotional about
stand
Sushant,
up for the
but we
people
cannot
of this
sacrifice
country.
being
Stand up
reasonable
for the
at the altar
youngsters
of
of
being
this country.
emotional.
For
There are
God's
emotions
sake,
running
Rahul,
high. That's
do not
the reason.
ditch
A
the youngsters of this
court-monitored
country.
police probe will
Rahul,
solve the issue.
please do
A
not ditch the
court-monitored police probe
aspirational
will be
logic
a
of the
sensible
youngsters
middle
of this
ground.
country.
Both parties can agree.
Screaming on top of
A
your voice,
court-monitored
screaming
police
your
probe.
lungs
Won't you
out
accept it?
to drown my voice is not
Subrashaji,
going to
won't
do
you
anything,
accept a
Rahul.
court-monitored police probe? Won't that be a
Baba,
good position both parties can agree to? A court-monitored police probe will solve the issue.
I'm accepting the fact that the Supreme
We have time,
Court
we
of
have time.
India, in the Bihar, when the Bihar police, the fiasco happened, it said that you should do a CBI inquiry. I don't know, what are you defending, Rahul? Are you trying to say that the Shiva Sena and the NCP and the Congress combined, the Mahagabandhan Agadi combined,
It
should
is
flout the
unfair
norms
to
of the
cast
Supreme
aspersion
Court?
on an entire side.
And the gentleman
The
on
only
your right,
humble-
with his head on the
No, no, what?
Even that
Rahul.
Roshan was sitting with the deputy
Rahul.
chief minister. Let us brush that aside. But
Rahul.
the same
Akashdeep.
a court-monitored
Rahul,
police
I
probe
want to
will
ask
solve
you,
the issue.
Rahul, I want to ask you, Rahul, let me ask you a question. First of all, I don't know why I am on this Ria tagged bracket. I only support Bollywood. I am not in this part. Rahul, don't you think that what she wrote today, if you're saying wait for tomorrow, don't you think that
Left
what
Rahul
she
and
wrote today
Akash.
is absolute unadulterated grab to dilute the situation? If you're saying we should wait for tomorrow, what business she had to write that today? I was groped, I was
Both
molested,
sides
family
are
was
slandering
estranged.
each
What has
other.
that got to
Let
do
us
with
remember
another?
that.
No,
Both
no,
sides,
let's not
both
just be
sides
blind.
are. What about
Listen,
what
let's
about
not
the
be
black
blind.
magic allegation? Both
So why
sides
would
are
I-
throwing
how
dirt
are
on
you
each other.
defending-
Let us not be blind to
But
one
then how are you
side.
defending
There
this
were
kind of a- we
allegations
cannot
that
defend-
Ria was doing
Rahul,
black
we
magic.
cannot be so
Is that a
myopic
fair allegation
and
to
just
make?
have one
Let us
point of
be
view.
fair. There
But
are
let
two
that
sides.
man-
and
Why
fighting
has
the hell out of this case.
Akash's question is correct. Rahul, listen.
listen to me, you're answering before listening.
Rahul, let me tell you one thing. In all these years I've known you, you've not been a pseudo. Why are you behaving
He's
like one
sounding
today?
like one today.
Now listen to me. My second point is, why has she released the statement today? Because I'll tell you why. You want to know why? I'll tell you why. Nilotpal and Tarun, they are both friends of Sushant. I'll tell you why I have them. My senses is because no. It's because the visual evidence is being examined. It's because the mystery woman's pictures are out. It's because the pictures of the mystery woman giving a bag are out. Pictures of the mystery woman with Sandeep Singh are out. Who is this mystery woman in a black t-shirt? I'm not saying it's Ria, but it's someone who Ria knows. See, 24/7 surveillance. Dipesh Sawant has gone missing. She's scared. Dipesh can come out tomorrow and may say something that may damage her. 1 minute. Also, no. Also, look at the testimonies which have come out. Look at Hiwarkar's testimony. Hiwarkar says, I got a call from Sandeep's right-hand man who told me 5 to 6 people went in. 5 of them were with Disha's party, sixth one was not. The police has not interrogated the people who were at Disha's party. They don't even know who was there. So if you look at it from Ria's perspective, you know, she is realizing that she's being cornered. So what does she do today? She says in the statement, my father was an army officer and my mother is a Maharashtrian housewife. Why have you pulled out an army officer and a Maharashtrian card? Let me ask you, everyone's on. Tell me today, Nilotpal. Today the first line of the statement of Satish Mane Shinde is, she is a daughter of an army officer, wait a minute, and of a Maharashtrian housewife. Did I ask you? Whether father was Bengali or mother was Maharashtrian, did I ask you? No. What relevance does that have to the case? Is the first line of a carefully crafted legal thing, which means she's trying to pull out all the cards. It's the mindset of a person who's realized, Nilotpal and Tarun, ki let me just pull out all the cards. Let me abuse the family. Let me pull out a Maharashtrian card, army card, every card. You have no right to insult Maharashtrians or to insult people associated with the Indian army by trying to pull that in your defense. Nilotpal, what do you think?
Sir, I have 3 members in Indian Army from my family.
She
I
is
never
only
come on debate
pointing out
until
she
that.
has such a family.
Let Nilotpal speak now. Rahul, Nilotpal, I invited Nilotpal and Tarun. Let them speak. They know what Riya has put out today.
So my wife is Marathi. I never come on debate and issue a letter. My wife is Marathi and I am defending Sushant Bhai. Now the thing is, 74 years old father, she wrote a letter, 8 pages letter, 1,000 words letter. She mentioned that she had a fought with Priyanka Didi. So she was in teenage. Why not she left the house that time? Whom she was waiting for? His father was 74 years old. So he was trying to reach her through messages and her manager also. Why not she responded? She had a fight with sister, right? And during cremation, if she was so close and, favoring Sushant Bhai, why not she fought and came inside to see the last ritual? What was hurting her? Now she is targeting family. That time she didn't thought. And when the justice campaign started, she should be the one who should initiate it. Because she was loving him so much. She's telling and alleging family spent decades with Sushant Bhai. You can see the videos and everything. She came just 12 months ago. And now she's throwing a theory that he was not keeping well. Then who took the money out? And he was not keeping well. Then in coffee with Karan 10 times in a row, his name taken. So either he was well, so he will not do something like this.
Yeah, so she's changing goalposts.
And if he was not well, then who took the money out?
No, and look at what she has done there. Very carefully, Tarun. She has attacked Sushant also. Her last card is last card is where she now blames Sushant. She said Sushant had terrible. He was mentally not stable, and his conduct was so bad. She now starts attacking Sushant also. It is the behavior of someone who realizes time up. Pull out. She attacks Sushant. She says Sushant's conduct aggravated her anxiety.
Yes, in the letter she's played the victim card.
She's played the victim card.
She started getting panic attack and she left because she thought she will get into a panic situation. I mean, it's a 360 turn. What is it and why did all this come 1 day before the verdict? Whom is she trying to influence? That's why I said, Rahul, we cannot have a blanket negativity towards a certain approach in the debate.
Tarun, go on, please. As a close friend, what do you think?
बेसिकली बातों को घुमाया जा रहा है बिल्कुल अर्नब टोटली बातों को घुमाया जा रहा है घुमाया जा रहा है क्योंकि क्या जब हम पॉइंट पे पहुंच रहे हैं एवरी डे सोशल पे नेटवर्किंग पे भी आप देखें एंड आर भारत ने एक के बाद एक खुलासे किए हैं जब वो खुलासे इतने सामने आ रहे हैं तो बातों को घुमा के उन चीज़ों को दबाया जा रहा है तो ये जो ट्रूथ है उसको क्यों नहीं आने दे रहे हैं क्या चीज ऐसी है जो कि आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं नहीं होनी चाहिए अरे भाई जब आप सही हैं इफ यू आर राइट देन व्हाई यू आर स्केयरिंग आप डर क्यों रहे हैं
अब जब वो
आने दीजिए ना सच को बात करने दीजिए सीबीआई की जांच
तो फिर मुझे तो पूरा ये लेटर देने की जरूरत क्या है जब वो कहती है उसको सीबीआई और सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे ब्लाइंड फेथ है और
पहले भी जब आपने खुद ने
क्या है
अर्नब सर
और सबसे पहले खुद ही ने कहा कि सीबीआई की जांच होनी चाहिए सबसे पहले खुद ही ने कहा नाउ शी इज जस्ट सेइंग एनीथिंग दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग और किसी के परिवार पे ऐसे उंगली उठाना अच्छी बात नहीं है आप किसी के लिए कुछ भी कह दो क्योंकि बात घुमानी है चाहे फादर पे ब्लेम करना है बहनों पे ब्लेम करना है जबकि ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं जो बंदा रोजाना आपसे बात करने में आपके परिवार की बात करता हो कि
अपना लवर जो बेचारा गुजर गया उसको बदनाम कर रहे हो उसकी फैमिली को बदनाम कर रहे हो You're spoiling the name of his family and your own lover by saying all these things which are not connected to the case. If he
जरा let Tarun complete.
कोई अधिकार नहीं है किसी की फैमिली को ब्लेम करना इस तरह से
बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं आप बिल्कुल सही
Sumit, you tell me. Sumit, you tell me.
आप जो चीज जो बंदा जा चुका है उसको गलत आप ठहरा देंगे क्योंकि वो कुछ कह नहीं सकता क्योंकि वो है नहीं.
Not in good taste. Not in good taste.
It's terrible taste. Yeah, Sumit.
May I come in?
Yeah, go on, Sumit.
Let me commence with by saying that I am very hopeful, and I believe that tomorrow the Supreme Court would be transferring the investigation to the CBI.
I hope so too.
And I say that primarily because not only the deceased father had claimed the CBI probe, but Ria herself was also given no objection to the CBI probe. So it appears that there is an immense likelihood that the Supreme Court will transfer the probe to CBI. Now what is important is how would CBI go ahead with the investigation, because CBI commences with an allegation of abetment to suicide. My point is that CBI needs to extensively examine and thoroughly see all sides of the coin, including the allegations against Ria and the statements made by Ria. All angles should be investigated by the CBI thoroughly.
What do you make of her behavior on the eve of the Supreme Court verdict? What do you make usually people who are accused don't speak before a Supreme Court verdict. What do you make of her behavior ahead of the Supreme Court verdict? I want you to debate that with Swapnil. Yes.
Arnab, this statement cannot influence Supreme Court verdict by any manner.
No, what do you make of her behavior? Why has she done it? Obviously she can't influence, but why is she doing it?
Yes, maybe because this is the first time she's revealed her cards, and because
but then she's saying that I am the daughter of an Indian Army surgeon. I am the daughter of a Maharashtrian housewife. What is the purpose of specifying the state of her mother's origin, if not to try and regionalize the campaign for justice, which is reeking of panic?
Yes. So I will not support any such statement which tries to involve public sentiment towards her or try to change the nature of the probe. But I would certainly say that she has a right.
These are not valid arguments.
Her story.
No, these are.
This is what the first time
she put it. Very pointed question. Please answer.
Point. You had your say. Please hold up, Swapnil. You had your say. I was patient listening when you were speaking. Now, please.
There's a disagreement between the lawyers.
No, that is fine.
Please be patient enough to hear the contrary view also. Now, what am I saying? I am saying that the CBI would now, if tomorrow CBI gets the investigation, I would hope and presume the CBI extensively.
No, you're not answering my question.
There is no harm in herself also putting her side of the story. CBI would example her angle also, and let CBI investigate which side is the truth.
Okay, fine.
There are allegations made against her.
Okay, fine.
She put up her defense. Let CBI investigate. Let CBI go into the. All right.
Okay, very good.
Go ahead, Swapnil. Okay, please.
Very good. You've answered. Okay, Sumit, you've answered. I've heard you now. Arnab's question, I don't think you've comprehended Arnab's question. Arnab's question is that on the eve of, before the Supreme Court order, why do you come out with such a long statement? And that too, why such a panicky statement? It is very clear that all the people who are there in the picture, as pointed out by Arnab in debate 1, that mysterious lady, the mysterious man called Dipesh Sawant, who picked out the bag, then, that cop from the Mumbai police whom she had a phone call with for 4 times, then her reference to a certain politician's son as to I don't know him at all, I've never met him, that reference was totally irrelevant because that name was never mentioned by the Bihar government or by the CBI at all. So all these things are completely with a view to give that last-ditch attempt of the Maharashtrian card and the Bengali father and the army father with a view to try to say that she is asking for justice. This is complete panic-stricken because she does not want the CBI to come into the picture, because now I am feeling all the more convinced that she is not only interested in money laundering, but she is very much a part of this murder as far as I am concerned. Because this is the only way that you are trying to stall the investigation.
I've heard you.
Rahul Ishwar is also coming back to the debate. No, but why is the cabal going into a frenzy, Rahul Ishwar? Why is the cabal going into a frenzy? Subrashta, the question is, are all the revelations and investigations that have taken place so far, is there a growing fear? One minute. The Ria backing cabal, Rahul, you're on the debate with Subrashta, and look at the way Saira is quiet today. The Ria backing cabal is in a frenzy because the ED's investigation has revealed how Ria Chakrabarty's expensive income tax returns are not matching with the bank statements. CBI has asked for phone records. included deleted messages.
Does that mean this is a murder? Does that mean this is a murder?
No, it means that she's in a panic.
Shouldn't we be measured with words? How can we brand it as a murder? Shouldn't we be more responsible? Does that mean it's a murder? And what right do we have to accuse that Riya is a part of murder before an investigative agency or court says so?
I don't understand why you're so riled up, Rahul.
See, let us be measured with words.
Because
Ishwar, why are you so riled up? May I please ask you a simple question? Why are you riled up, Rahul? Whether it's a murder or not, why don't you allow...
It shouldn't
Rahul,
be a media
please calm down.
campaign on a single
Calm down.
Rahul, control yourself.
You're not even demanding justice for SSR. You know what, Rahul? You're not even demanding justice for Sushant. I don't understand why are you so riled up?
Justice for everyone.
You are defending the cabal, and I don't. You are defending the Bollywood cabal, Rahul, and I don't understand why are you so riled up?
I think instead of being so riled up, you should go and sign our petition on petition.republicworld.com. We're almost at 1 million.
It has to be made absolutely clear. Rahul, please allow me to speak, Rahul.
You're blocking her now.
Rahul, please allow me to speak.
Now you're blocking her.
Please allow me to speak.
Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Arnab, it has to be established without doubt that Riya fears a free and fair investigation. Number one. Number two, she has not been able to explain financial irregularities in her income tax returns. If it is linked with Sushant's murder or not is something that is a matter of investigation. And I agree with Rahul that it should be investigated. But it cannot be investigated by the Mumbai police because in order to save a certain baby penguin from a certain political family, the entire Mahagathbandhan Agadi or whatever it is called is absolutely rallying behind baby penguin. So we have
we have to stop talking about baby penguin, whoever that is. Let's bring the focus on tomorrow's Supreme Court judgment. See, the question is...
I only urge the youngsters to carry on with their fight, either online or offline, in whatever manner they are doing. We will be able to
Tarun Vyas,
CBI inquiry for Sushant Singh.
Tarun Vyas and Nilotpal want to say something. See, Tarun, see. I think the reason why she is panicking is because she genuinely felt till 1 month back, I have Mumbai police backing me, I have Maharashtra government backing me, I have top Bollywood people backing me, I have Mahesh Bhatt backing me, right? I have got everyone who is required backing me. For her to believe that her entire game is up must be unimaginable. They must be congratulating themselves one month back, Tarun. Ki we managed the case. Yes. Sushant is gone, it's fine. We managed the case. There's a sense of shock and that is why she's put out a statement today. Yes,
उन्होंने यही सोच लिया.
सोचा था उन्होंने.
It's shocking ना. उन्होंने सोचा होगा और अब जब चीजें उलट गई हैं तब अब चीजें भी पलट गई हैं. वो भी खुद अपने बयानों से बदल रहे हैं. सारी चीज बदलते जा रहे हैं. लेकिन आप एक बात ये देखिए कि जो आदमी इतना जिंदा दिल है, जो आदमी बात पर अपने फैमिली की बात करता है, जो खुश है, सब चीज़ों से अच्छा है, और अगर उससे कुछ पूछा जाता है कि आपको फिल्में नहीं मिली तो क्या करेंगे, तो वो बोलता है मैं टीवी सीरियल करूंगा, और टीवी सीरियल नहीं मिला तो मैं स्टेज चला जाऊंगा, स्टेज भी नहीं मिला तो मैं अपना 5D कैमरा लेके खुद को शूट करूंगा, शॉर्ट फिल्म
सायरा को बताइए, सायरा सुनिए.
वो एम्बिशियस इतना अच्छा लड़का आप सोच सकते हैं कभी जाने? तो क्या वो आदमी जो इतनी अपनी प्लानिंग करके चल रहा है लाइफ की, क्या वो लाइफ छोड़ के चला जाएगा?
मैं आप कह रहे हैं मैं बहुत शांत हूँ, आप बताइए डिप्रेशन की कोई शक्ल होती है? Does depression have a face? I'm not saying that you are depressed, nor am I saying Riya Chakrabarti is clean. I am simply
ये दोनों दोस्त हैं उसके.
Let the courts decide. Let
नीलोत्पल और तरुण दोनों दोस्त हैं सुशांत के.
Become a kangaroo court.
आप ज्यादा जानते हैं इनको. 2 versus 2 1. क्या kangaroo court?
Become a kangaroo court.
We should have a better understanding of depression.
That's what I said.
We don't know what happened. Please remember. We should have a better understanding of depression.
जूरी बन गए, एक्सिक्यूशनर बन रहे हैं. मैं बस ये कह रही हूँ कि कोर्ट्स को अपना काम करने दीजिए. आप मीडिया ट्रायल
और इन्वेस्टिगेटर भी बन गया.
Gallows till
स्वप्निल
guilty.
स्वप्निल and Atul.
By the Supreme Court of India. Let the courts decide. You are not the court. You are not the last word.
No, we are assisting the court.
Don't be delusional.
No, we don't need to hear this. No, we don't. No, you are being delusional. You are being delusional. You are being delusional by playing the granddaddy.
I said I'm not giving Riya Chakrabarti or whatever her name is. I am not saying I'm giving her a clean sheet.
Nobody is accusing Riya. We are only saying, nor am I giving her a clean sheet, nor am I saying that she is privy to it. All I am trying to say is that anybody who puts forth, the Supreme Court is doing its job. Anybody who's coming forth with an affidavit of this sort previously on the eve of the judgment is definitely somewhere scared that her game is up. Whether she is only involved in money laundering or anything beyond that.
Rahul Ishwar, I want to remind you. 1 minute to Rahul Ishwar, Subrashta, I want to remind him. Rahul Ishwar, remember how you used to attack me in the Sunanda Pushkar case, and now has Shashi Tharoor been indicted for abetment of suicide or not? Has Shashi Tharoor been charged with abetment of suicide or not now? Remember how much you used to attack me?
There were many people.
I still, no. I believe it is much more. I believe the case is still to be opened up. Remember you used to attack me. Remember, Rahul. Do you remember or not? Has Shashi Tharoor been charged with abetment of suicide or not now? Remember or not? Do you remember? Do you remember? Are you remembering? Is your memory opening up now? And believe me, that investigation will also be opened up, because I don't believe Sunanda had committed suicide.
I was proved right. Please,
you were proved wrong once again, and in this one also tomorrow 11 o'clock, join me. I'd like to see your face when the Supreme Court orders a CBI for SSR. Ladies and gentlemen, it's smacked of a cover-up. It's smacked of a cover-up since the very first day. Tomorrow, if the Supreme Court verdict paves the way for an unimpeded CBI investigation, will those who tried to cover up, will those who tried to botch up, will those who tried to bury the truth be made accountable or not? The nation wants to know. Let's debate.